Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Crunchyroll on your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start watching TV shows or movies on Crunchyroll on their Samsung Smart TV. Now in order to do this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you're first going to do is that you're first going to go onto your Samsung Smart TV and then click on the home button, which is the center button right over here. And then you're going to navigate towards the App Store. So this is what the App Store looks like for me, where it's 4 dots. So click on the App Store. And then on this page here, you want to go ahead and scroll to the upper right hand side. And then you want to use the app search button. Now, once you click on the app search button, you need to type in the word Crunchyroll. So we're just going to type in C-R-U. And as you type, you'll see that the items on the top hand side start to auto-populate. Here we have Crunchyroll already being auto-populated, so click on Crunchyroll. And then next on this page here, you're simply just going to click on install. So you just need to give it a couple seconds for your Samsung Smart TV to actually install Crunchyroll. And now that Crunchyroll has been installed, you'll actually see a notification up there. And then once you open it, you'll just go ahead and log into your Crunchyroll account using your email and your password. But as you can see, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get Crunchyroll on your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.